video about how to make Panchamrit. Panchamrit, Panch is 5, Amrut meaning the immortal nectar, I suppose. And most Hindu pujas will have this as Prasad. And Panchamrit normally has 5 ingredients. It's very easy to make, so I'm just going to show you how to make quick Panchamrit. So the first thing you're going to need is any kind of milk. We use raw milk. You could use any kind of sugar. We use raw cane sugar, honey or mud. You're going to need some ghee. I don't know if you could see it. And dahi, which means yogurt. Okay? So I'm going to eyeball it, but you could, main ingredient is your milk. So you're going to pour about half a cup of this container milk. Okay. Then about just 1 teaspoon, or yeah, just about 1 teaspoon of dahi or yogurt. Then we'll add some sugar. I'm gonna grab a spoon real quick because I forgot it doesn't have a spoon. So just 1 teaspoon, a little bit over 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of honey. And you want to make sure your ghee, when you add it, that it's melted, that it's not the thick ghee that it normally is. So you can melt it on your stove top. And then a little bit of ghee. And there's your 5 ingredients. And then you want to mix it up really well. And you could add your tulsi pan on top before you put it down for prasad or to Bhagwan.